Happy Feast of Saint Athanasius. So today we celebrate the Feast of Saint Athanasius, who is considered a saint and a doctor within the Catholic Church. He was a bishop who died in year 373. And notably, he was the leader of the defenders of orthodoxy against Arianism. So ano yung Arianism? Arianism is the teaching by Arius that Jesus was not truly divine. And Saint Athanasius was 5 times exiled for his defense, for standing up on the doctrine that Jesus Christ is God, on the doctrine of Christ's divinity. In John chapter 6, verses 1 to 15, this is only one example. Jesus multiplied bread and fish to feed thousands of people. And this is a miracle which only God can perform. A miracle which only God can do. And Jesus is God. He performed this miracle. In John chapter 6, verse 7, Philip said to Jesus Christ, 200 days' wages of worth of food would not be enough for each of them to have a little bit. So for Philip, he is saying to Jesus Christ, this is impossible. It's impossible to feed these people right now. But nothing is impossible with God. Nothing is impossible with Jesus Christ, who is fully God and fully man. Thus, Jesus Christ performed the multiplication of bread and fish to feed thousands of people right there, right now. Even though for Philip, that was impossible. That was impossible to do. That was impossible to perform. Our belief in Jesus Christ as God must be defended, mainly by the way we live, by the way we speak to other people, by the way we carry ourselves and relate to other people. Mainly, it must be defended by the way we live. Let's reflect on this. Do we show that Jesus Christ is God by our actions, by our words, by our thoughts, by the way we relate to our family, by the way we relate to our friends, co-workers? Let's also be ready to defend our belief as Catholics, as Christians, that Jesus Christ is fully God, fully man. Just like Saint Athanasius, ready to defend this doctrine that Jesus Christ is God. Let's all be like Saint Athanasius, mainly by the way we live and mainly by the way we discuss it with other people. Amen.